On the Argentine side, guinea pig on the way to from the bus to the train station to go to Iguazu Falls. Look at the train to the falls. I'm standing on a catwalk. That's why there's so much bouncing in the film. This is the catwalk I was referring to. This is the Iguazu Falls. We've walked over these catwalks for 3/4 of a mile to get here. At this point in the year, the river is down to its lowest amount. These falls are the least amount of the water coming through. That's why you've been able to see some of the top of the rocks in the previous pictures. The catwalks that we were on in the more rainy season when water's up are completely underwater. Brazilian side. From our side, we're not seeing the full width of the falls. When we're on the Brazilian side looking back, which we'll do tomorrow, we'll see the full width of these falls. We'll be facing into it. Butterfly, 88 on the wings. Again, I've probably said it a number of times, but this is the least amount of water during the normal year. It's way down to 1/3. It rises 300% higher than this. And the catwalk I'm standing on is totally flooded. People cannot get here during the regular rainy season. These rocks we're seeing out here, of course, are all covered when the river's higher. This is again the catwalk I've been referring to, but if you notice, this is one of the catwalks that have been washed away. Another catwalk that's been washed away. And catwalk supports where the catwalk's been completely washed away. The vultures in the tree. We don't know what this is. We are on a bus leaving Argentina, entering Brazil.
That's the highlight of the trip.
Do people actually come up here and climb it?
No.
Look at the size of these geodes. Sheer size. You saw that guy walking by?
Maybe he'll post for you on the other side. ¿Y tú qué? Yeah.
That goes in New York.
Yeah, they migrate up there.
Just the one very.
Oh, so-
look at this chicken over there. That's an amazing bird.
Scarlet Ivy's bird. That bird there, the red one.
And green, look at that, and the rail. This is another one.
Oh yeah, that's another one.
Pretty too.
That's really
They have 4 wings. I mean 4 fingers. 2
fingers.
forwards and 2 backwards. And then they
Oh,
hold the
that's so
branches the way that
pretty.
they have it to balance the weight because the beak is too big.
This is the largest bird here in this area.
Hey Andy, we're in the rainforest or something. Hello, beautiful. How are you doing?